Here we have question 4. We're going to find the measurement of angle 1, 2, and explain our reasoning. Well, we have 54 degrees here, and if we do vertical angles, this becomes 54. So angle 1 is 54 by vertical angles. Then 54 is on the bottom left, matches with angle 2. Angle 2 is also 54, and this is by corresponding angles. Next, we have 95 here. And then this is going to be your consecutive interior. So we can say consecutive interior angles are supplementary. That means they add up to 180. So to find it, you have to do 180 minus that angle of 95. So we can now just plug that into a calculator. All right. 180 minus 95, that gets us 85. So angle 1 equals to 85 by consecutive interior. Also notice that these here does form a line. So by linear pair, angle 2 is going to be 180 minus 85, that would be 95. That's if you do linear pair. You could also have done alternating interior angle as well. Let's look at C here. If this is 133, angle 1 is also 135 because of corresponding angles. They're both on the top right. Then we can get this by using linear pair. So we do 180 minus 135. That gets you 45. Angle 2 equals to 45, and that's going to be because of linear pair.